but that's why you're here. That's why you play this sport.
I mean, because this is...
Oh, nice shot. It's a quick outfield and the first boundary of the game. It's 4 for no loss.
What are you talking about?
And more runs, this time on the onside. So both batsmen starting off with a boundary. Went for and drives down the ground now. That's an even better shot. And clear signs that this is a good pitch. Yes, oh, lovely timing this. The ball racing away. Walked away on the onside, is racing away. Gets up.